Thanks for watching another beautiful video with Stand Up Men. I am your host, Sherman Owens, and in this video today, the topic will be the roadmap to better credit. Identify credit inaccuracies and schedule a consultation with one of our certified attorneys. Import your credit file and add required information to your membership portal. With the help of planned attorneys, challenge inaccuracies on your debt record and credit report. Dispute personal information on your credit reports and complete DNC registration. Get started with the debt validation process. Set up identity theft protection and dark web monitoring. Coordinate your defense against creditor harassment or lawsuits with planned attorneys. Members with unmanageable debt can schedule a consultation with a debt relief plan attorney to review your options, because the best defense is a good defense. We provide access to tools and support to monitor and protect your future financial security. Additional resources that we provide: 1 Corinthians 15:58. Therefore, my brothers and sisters, stand firm, let nothing move you. Always give yourself fully to the work of the Lord, because you know that your labor in the Lord is not in vain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for related information and the freebies.